Hello everyone, I'm Ajay and welcome back to the channel. As you know, we got the update. You all will be having Infosys System Engineer exam. So this video about pseudocode preparation. So let's start with the today's video. What will be the output of the following pseudocode? Okay, we have three integers. So whenever we have given integers or any kind of that, try to write down, and there are chances that the values of the things can be changed, values of the variables can be changed. So better to write and update all the values so that at the last, if there is something like print a minus b minus c, whatever the last values you have, you can just directly add or do that equation. So coming back to the code, okay, if a, okay, right shift, okay, left shift. See, there are like you might be doing all the two power or divide by two for the left shift and right shift. That's one way. Second way is you can remember that. See, um, whether it's divide by two when we do the right shift, or whether it's multiplied by the two power when it's left shift. Whatever we do, it's always be greater than 0 or greater than 0 for sure. 0 point something is definitely will be greater than 0. So when it's greater than 0, and we know that 0, sorry, not 0, 1, 2 and any such numbers, all such numbers, even the decimal values are considered as true for the boolean. Only the 0 or the false is considered as false, that is in boolean. So we are sure that it will be 0 or we are sure that it will be greater than 0 for sure. So definitely it will be true. So the condition, it will be true here. So if it's true, so a equal to a plus c, a equal to a plus b means previously is 4, 4 plus c 1, 4 plus 1 equal to 5. So a became 5 here. Fine. And after that, a minus b plus c, 5 minus 5 minus b, what is b? 3 plus, what is c? 1. 5 minus 3 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. So we got this as 3, that is option 1. So option 3 is the right answer for this. Come to the next question. What will be the output of the following pseudocode? Okay, again we have just a, fine. First a is 5. Now it became a plus 1, so it became 6. 6 into 2, 12. 12 divided by 2, it's 6 again. Now we have a equal to 6 as present. So 6 divided by 5, 6 divided by 5, it's integer division. So definitely it will be just 1 and 1 plus 6. So p equal to 1 plus 6, which is 7. P equal to 7. Option 4 is the right answer for this question. Come to the next question. What will the output of the following pseudocode? Okay. This is XOR operation. XOR operation. If you don't know the truth table, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 in the XOR, if both the inputs are same, then it will result in 0. Same way for the 1 1 as well. But if it's different, then it result in 1. So same way, if we have like C equal to A XOR B, C equal to A XOR B means 8 XOR 2. So while doing any bitwise operation, so automatically the integers or any kind of numbers will be converted to the binary format. The binary format of 8 will be 1 0 0 and binary format of 2 will be 1 0. So when we do the XOR, as I said, if it's different, then it will result in 1. If it's same, 0. Different, 1. Same, 0. 1010 binary is indicate 10. So the decimal conversion of 1010 is 10. So if 10, now again 10 XOR what is B now? 8. 10 XOR B. So 1010 and 8. 8 is 1000. If you do the XOR, the same, so 0 0 1 0. This is equal to 2. So the if will have like if of 2, as I said in the first question, any number from 1 to all such numbers are considered as true. So even this is true. So B becomes 0. So when we print B, so as B value is 0, option 4 is the right answer. Okay, what is the output of the following pseudocode? Okay, B40, A20, C20. Okay. A equal to A plus C. A equal to A plus C. A plus C 20, it became 40. Okay. C equal to C plus A. C equal to C plus A. 20 plus 40 equal to 60. This became 60. Now A equal to A plus C. 60 plus 40, this became 100. A became 100. C equal to C plus A. C plus A 160. This became 160. So we have A equal to 100, C equal to 160, and B equal to 40. So if you do A plus B plus C, 100, 200, 300, so it will be 300. Option B, that's the correct answer for this question. Coming next question. What is the output of the following code? A equal to 1, B equal to 1. Oh, okay. So here also you can do the same operation like the, what was the question? Yeah, this one, the XOR thing. But there's a trick behind it. XOR 1 and 1. Okay. Remember that when you do an even number and XOR 1, then the result will be that even number plus 1. That would be the result. And when you do an odd number XOR 1, it will be odd number minus 1. Remember this logic. This works for every case. And in the AND 1, if you do like odd number and 1, this would result in 0, whereas even number and 1, this would result in 1. So remember this as well. So that's the trick here, because if you just keep on doing the XOR, it might take long time. But if you remember this, that is even XOR 1 is even plus 1, odd XOR 1 is odd minus 1, and odd and 1 is 0, even and n is 1. So so we have 1 1 is odd XOR 1, odd XOR 1 is odd minus 1, that is 1 minus 1 0, this will be 0, and here it is 0 and 1, 0 and 1 is 0, 0 plus b XOR 1, b is again odd, so 1 XOR 1, so 1 XOR 1, 1 minus 1 0, this is also 0, 0 and 1, 0 and 1 is 0, so 0 plus 0, finally it will be 0. So a is 0, 0 plus what is b? 1. So we have 1 as the answer for this. That's about 5th question. Coming to the 6th question. What will the output of the following pseudocode? Okay, n equal to 5, read n. So we read as 5. Initialize I to 5. Don't confuse I to 5, it's as a loop. It's and we have while as well. So don't confuse I to 5 as a loop. It's a pseudocode syntax. So I to 5 means I is just equal to 5. And we have while I is less than 5. Done. Here itself done, because you can see n is value is 5, and that is n value is 5, I value is 5, 5 is less than 5, it's never less than 5, so it will not even go to this loop. So we can just ignore this. We have right sum, so we don't have sum, so definitely initialize, so it's 0. We don't have answer, so this can be 0, answer can be 0, or if there is an error given that sum is not defined, then it can be one answer. 0 or sum is not defined. There are no option for this. This is the answer for this question. Next question. Print the output of the given pseudocode if the value of number is 6. Okay. Read number. Okay, number is 6. Let's consider number as n for convenience. N equals 6. So here also we have 6. So it's like while I less than or equal to 6. Right. Okay. K equal to 2, I equal to 2. K equal to K into I. Okay, so here K is updating. Let's write that. So K equal to K into I. Previously it is 2. So 2 into I means 2 into 2, 4. It became 4 now. And I equal to I plus 1. So I value became 3. Okay. And after that, again 3 less than or equal to 6. No. Sorry, true. So it comes to the loop again. That is body of the loop. K equal to K into I. K is previously 4. 4 3s are 12. And I equal to I plus 1. I became 4 here. Fine. After that, 4 is less than or equal to 6? No. 12 4s are 48. I became 5. 5 is less than or equal to 6? No. So it became n, and 48 5, 5 the 40, 5 for the 20, so 240. Yeah. 240, and I became 6 here. 6 is less than or equal to 6? Yes, because it's less than or equal to 6. So equal to is there, so it satisfies. Again, it's come to the loop, that is body of the loop. So here 240 into 6. Okay, 60624. Yeah, 1400. 14400. Yeah, that's correct. 14400. And this time I become 7. So 7 less than or equal to 6? No, this is where the loop breaks. So we have the k value as 140 and right k. We don't have the options. The answer is 1440. Okay. What will happen when the following program is executed? Okay, we have res is equal to 0. It's a do while loop. So the difference between do while and while is that in do while, at least once the body of the loop will be executed, that is body of the uh, while loop will be executed. But whereas in the while, at even the initialized stage, the condition is checked. So we have in the do while loop, this is the same thing. The do while loop, we have minus minus res. So minus minus res means it will come -1. Display res, it will print -1. And res plus plus, it's a post increment. So here in the while loop, it becomes again 0, 0 greater than 0. Again the do, it become -1 and display -1. So it just keep on becoming 0 and -1. So it will just print -1 till infinity. So now we have option as program will not enter into loop. No, code will execute the value display. No, anything. Code will run for infinite number of times. Yeah. What is the output of the following pseudocode? Okay. Fine. So this end here. Okay. 5 greater than b greater than a. 5 greater than 2, true, and a greater than c, 2 greater than 2, false. If one is false, you can ignore the other things because and requires all the conditions to be false. So here it becomes false. The complete if becomes false. So the else part will execute. A equal to b plus 1, that is 5 plus 1 equal to 6. So a becomes 6. 6 plus 5 plus 2. 6 plus 5 plus 2, 11, 13. So option B is the right answer. Come to the last question for this video. What will be the output of the following pseudocode? Inside A comma B comma C, A equal to B comma and A XOR C. Again, same thing. A XOR C. A is 2 and A is 8 and C is 2. So 1 0 0 and 1 0. We know that it will result in 10. That is 1 0 1 0. I solved in the previous question. And again XOR A. That is 1 0. 0 1 0 0 0. Sorry, not A. A is actually 8, right? So 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 0. This will result in 2. So C becomes 2. Previously also it's true and now also it's true. So we have C equal to 2, B equal to B mod 4 for 48, 12 for the 48. So 3 will be the remainder. So B equal to 3 and A is as it is. So 8 plus 3 is 8 plus 2 10 and 13. So option is the correct answer. So that's about this video. So majorly we solve questions related to bitwise operations. So and the trick lies behind like this. So just observe such tricks because if you keep on solving the XOR operation, it might take time. So remember this logic majorly. So that's for this video. All the best. Thank you.